Mua ona moli le vi inga ma le whaftai le atua o tātou au ria mai le nei vai aso mātanga o fie. O le vai aso o ato whaina ma le whaamaluina o le ngana Samoa le tātou kolisi. Alofa lo tātou tamaa le langa. Whaalo loa le nei vai aso ia saunga le mū fuafuanga umalava o le kolisi. Whaatalofa atu le fionga le ule aonga, le vasenga o whai aonga, na i o tātou mātua, wō mapaanga au mea mai a Marceline College. Whamalo le tauiwi I Tanma, ma teine o le laumua. Greetings to the principal, teachers and all the students of Marceline College. I believe Marceline College's dedication to honoring Le Ngana Samoa reflects a deep respect for the students of Samoan heritage of our college. Embracing and recognizing another culture and language within the college environment is a powerful expression of respect, inclusiveness, and unity. Not only enriches the learning experience for all students, but also creates a space where every student feels seen, valued, and empowered to share and be themselves. In celebrating the cultural diversity, such as the Samoan language and traditions, Marceline College is actively fostering a community built on empathy and mutual understanding. I strongly believe this commitment helps prepare students to thrive in multicultural world while strengthening the bonds that make the college a place that belongs to any student, no matter their ethnicity. To all the students of Samoan heritage and connection, this is a special time to reflect on the richness of your heritage and takes pride on who you are. By speaking your own language, sharing your stories, and living out your values and traditions, you are keeping a beautiful legacy alive, a legacy that deserves to be lived joyfully, celebrated, and passed on to the generations of tomorrow. You are influential leaders, inspiring role models, and a vital part of what makes Marceline College unique. Ia manuia le vai aso le ngana Samoa, soifua whaftai.